Our world is ever-changing, and so are the threats and challenges we face to our national security. Advanced superquiet submarines, diverse sea targets, piracy, narcotics, border violation, asymmetric forces. We must be prepared to face these complex challenges and win by achieving full situational awareness. Introducing the Swordfish Maritime Patrol Aircraft. First to know, first to act. The Swordfish MPA is a long-range, multi-role C4 I-Star platform offering tomorrow's technology today. To ensure the highest spectrum of capability, Saab has selected some of the world's most advanced sensors and systems, complemented by our own combat-proven technologies. AESA 360 multi-mode radar. Advanced airborne acoustics. World-class electro-optics. ESM and self-protection. The sensors are tightly integrated and fused within the onboard C2 system. Presented on multifunctional operator workstations, the mission crew have the absolute latest information on which to base their decisions upon. Crucial to effective MPA operations, the aft of the cabin has a systematic and functional layout with a mission planning seating area, significant sonobuoy storage, various launcher systems, and an airdrop door. It is with this combination of superior sensor fit and next-generation C2 that allows for multiple domain awareness to be achieved through the dynamic use of the complete system. Multi-role in every sense and suited to operations over sea or land, Swordfish MPA has substantial mission capability: anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface unit warfare, long-range search and rescue, combat search and rescue, maritime counter-terrorism, special forces support, anti-piracy, narcotics, and people smuggling. As a force multiplier, its ability to serve organically or take on-scene command in various environments ensures maximum effectiveness. As a high-end multi-role asset with game-changing sensor capability, the Swordfish MPA can achieve more with less. It can deliver superior maritime domain awareness and enhanced overland surveillance, and is easily integrated into existing infrastructures. You can rely on Saab's thinking edge to deliver innovative, effective products and solutions that enhance your capabilities and deliver smarter outcomes. Swordfish Maritime Patrol Aircraft. First to know, first to act.